Google Gemini's new automation features could change how small businesses get work done. Local business owners are already juggling emails, appointments, leads, documents, follow-ups, and daily tasks. Now, Gemini can help connect tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, Drive, Docs, Calendar, and more. That means everyday tasks can start working together instead of staying scattered across different apps. Imagine new leads organizing themselves into a spreadsheet automatically, or customer emails turning into drafted replies, follow-up reminders, and scheduled tasks. With AI Studio, businesses can even build simple custom tools just by describing what they need. No advanced coding, no complicated systems, just smarter workflows built around how your business already operates. Gemini Spark can also work in the background, helping summarize information, prepare briefs, and keep important tasks moving. For small businesses, this means less manual work, faster responses, better organization, and more time to focus on customers. The businesses that learn how to use AI automation now will have a serious advantage. At Online Marketing Media, we help small and local businesses understand these tools and turn AI into real business growth. Stop letting repetitive tasks slow you down. Contact Online Marketing Media today and start building smarter systems for your business.